Okay.
Hello. Now we want to talk about angles in a circle.
Yeah, we want to talk about angles in a circle. Okay. Now, that's this is a circle. Okay. Now,
Do you want to join?
now, if we have this as a circle, we want to quickly talk about how it relates with how angles are related in a circle. How angles are related in a circle. Okay. Now, this is the center of this circle, and let's look at this point to this point as an arc, which is what it is. So this is an arc, a minor arc, and this is a major arc. Okay. So let's just look at this as part of a cup. Now, if this cup forms an angle at the center, you call it angle. Let's call it angle X, or let me leave it that way. Angle X, an angle. Hold on, and this same cup forms an angle at the circumference. Okay, so the angle here, that this cup, can you see that, which is an arc? This cup forms an angle at the circumference. It also forms an angle at the center. The angle that it forms at the circumference is X, and the angle it forms at the circumference is 2 times the angle it forms. And the angle it forms at the center is 2 times the angle it forms at the circumference. So if this is 4, this is going to be 8. If this is 20, this is going to be 40. So this angle is 2 times, this angle is 2 times the angle it forms at the circumference. So remember what I said, this angle is 2 times the angle it forms here. Please, I don't want so much disturbance. Okay, now that's that. Another is, okay, we have this. Still, let's consider the cup from here to here. Now, listen. If this angle, this is the center of the circle, this cup forms an angle. I hope you're not obstructing me. Move a bit there. So now this angle, this cup forms an angle at the center. This same cup forms an angle here at the circumference. Of course, this is 2 times the value of this. So if this is X, this is going to be 2X. Also, if this same cup, this same arc, forms an angle at another part, still at the circumference, the value of this and the value of this are the same. So if this is X, this is going to be X. If it's still the same cup still forms another angle at the circumference, all the angles it forms at the circumference by the same cup, please, by the same cup or the same arc, all the angles they form at the circumference are the same. So this is X, and this is X that are the same. But the one that it forms at the center is 2 times the one it forms at the circumference. Okay? Now, the next is this. This is the center, and we have this, and then let's take it like this, and take this like this, okay, and then let's take it like this, and take it like this, and then, okay. I think this is okay. So if you are told, okay, I said this is 20, and you are asked what is this X and what is this Y. Okay. Okay. Now, if this is 20, this is X and this is Y. Okay. Now the question is, how do we get X and how do we get Y? It's simple. Y is equal to 20 degrees. Because they are both formed from the same cup. And they are formed on the circumference. And how do we get X? X is formed from the same cup, but this time it is formed at the center. So x is 2 times the value of that. So x is 2 times 20, which is 40 degrees. Okay? Now, let's look at another question. A final one. Okay, and oh my God, you guys. Yeah, okay. Let's look at that and then look at this. Okay, and let's say we have this as 25, and we're looking for A, and we're looking for B. How do we get A and how do we get B? Simple. Now, of course, A and B are related, so but we don't know any of them because A is 2 times of B. A is formed by this cup, this arc at the center, and A is 2 times this one because this B is also formed by this cup, all formed by the same cup. Okay, but we don't know any of them. So let's now look at this triangle like this. This is the radius, this is radius. If this is 25, this is an isosceles triangle. If this is 25, this angle will be 25. So if this is 25, 25 plus 25 plus A will give you 180 degrees. So 25 plus 25 plus A will give you 180 degrees. So it means that A will give you 180 minus 25 minus 25. That will give you 130 degrees. So A is 130 degrees. Now, since A is 130 degrees, the question is, how do we find B? B should be half of A because A is 2 times of B. So B will give you 130 over 2, half of it, which is going to be 65 degrees. Thank you
for watching and goodbye. Yes, for watching. Goodbye.